This video is to quickly show you how to clean the contacts on a RadioShack TRS80 cartridge. If you press on this evenly, you will notice how dirty those are. You're lucky if that actually works. You gotta keep this pressed up like that so you can clean them. Now you can try with some 91% alcohol. That one's like 70%. I prefer 91. Q-tips. Probably won't do a thing. Might get it to work though. Also, you could try an eraser. There's also a graphite pen. Problem is with the graphite pen, you might not be able to get on the bottom. There's connectors on the opposite side. So here's another cartridge that I'm cleaning. Here's the top. And what I use is this stuff. It's called Merlon. Very fine. You can get these pads on eBay. Get them in a hardware store. About $7 for a stack of pads on eBay. And I've had this stuff for years. I've been using it on everything from Nintendo cartridges, Game Boy cartridges, anything that has these contacts. And it always gets them to work unless there's something wrong with the cartridge. So you can see the difference between that and that. Now the trick with the bottom is hard to get in there. So you need to take a little piece, get one of these sticks. The doctor, you can get these in the pharmacy, make something up, even like a credit card. And you just gotta lay this on it and just go back and forth on the bottom connectors. So you can get those clean. You're not gonna be able to take this apart. You mess around, take this apart, you got springs in there, everything's gonna come out of place. So you wanna do this the easiest way you can. Then after you do that, you're gonna take your 91% alcohol and you're gonna clean this in the bottom. And then let it dry and try it. Thank you for viewing.